The second form of mind control is technological interfacing of gadgets with bioelectrical neuronal sites in the brain and the nervous system. Let me check that again for you. Technological interfacing with gadgets or of gadgets with bioelectric neuronal sites in the brain and throughout the nervous system. That's the technical part. That's the one we'll get into after we go to the break. Now, the topics for mind control include displacement of consciousness, the filter of experience, electronic dissolution and disturbance and rearrangement of your memory. That includes your archetypal memory. That includes you not being able to interface with the information that your ancestors left in the blood genes. And how they're going to do that. Another form is condensed knowledge, so that you work within specific parameters and nothing else. 4 or 5, reality and culture is a language construct. Reality and culture is a language construct. 6, now check very carefully. Eating is a form of information transference. Let me repeat that to you. Eating is a form of information transference. I'm going to let that sit in and digest a little bit. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about and why it is that they got to get to your food. And why you got to be doubly and triply careful of what it is you put into your mouth as sustenance. 7. The lockdown in third-dimensional space equals time reality through genetic reconstruction. Let me repeat that. The lockdown in third-dimensional space is equal to time reality through genetic reconstruction. In other words, your genes are being manipulated to maintain the ceiling of your awareness so that you will have no light code transmissions filtering through the specific filter of experience that they're going to give you. So your experience is going to be given to you so that your experience now amounts to being you building your own imprisonment. 8, synthetic telepathy. That's part of the technological and how they're going to play synthetic telepathy on you. People are now who have the chips in their head have been experiencing synthetic telepathy. That was the brother that we brought to Gary Bird and to the City Sun that time, Brian Wrong, when we exposed the fact that the chips were being put into people's heads all through the prison system. Who was there when we did that? You were there at the time. We exposed that. People thought we were crazy, but the Sun, that's why they shut the Sun down, people, because the Sun was dropping some serious science about what was going on the metaphysical tip and what they were doing, the government's control. Mind control is frequency warfare. Let me say that again. Mind control is frequency warfare. They ain't got to shoot no more bullets. They don't have to strap you down like they did Dr. Frankenstein and stick a node up your nose and up your ass and all up your back and in your ears and shoot electrical volts through it anymore. They can deal with frequency through the television, through your radio, and when I was speaking about synthetic telepathy, through your bones.